a picture with colors so bright. Dance on the canvas till morning tonight. Pouring your spirit in every detail. Capture the moment, the journey unveil. Holding your brush with the fire inside. Boundless horizons where dreams abide. Create with all your might. Keep dreaming, dreaming. Push the limits now. Feel the magic how we soar. I'm behind that cliffs with a heart that lifts. Sculpt out your vision and mold it with love. Craft every line like whispers from above. Sketching with fervor to carve out your name. Breathing creation, passionate flame. The world's your stage, let your soul ignite. Endless pursuit under starlit sky. Create with all your might. Keep dreaming, dreaming. Push the limits now. Feel the magic how we soar. Dreaming, dreaming. Climbing higher cliffs with a heart that lifts. Witness the beauty through an artist's eyes. Challenging time with passion that flies. Each masterpiece, a new light we find. In the canvas of dreams where wonder binds.